Hello, everybody. Welcome back to Make Money Audit and MakeMoneyAudit.com, and the YouTube channel where we go and I go and audit these YouTube gurus and their claims of making money. So far today, I think I've done quite a few of these videos, and almost all of them fail for the one main reason or various reasons. So let's get into this one. This one is by Higgsfield AI, which is a new channel that I'm looking at now. Let's see. I use Higgsfield AI plus Claude Fable 5 to build a 39,500 a month faceless channel. Let's go ahead and give you what I found out so far in my notes. So this one, like all the other videos, they got a D. He says 2 AI tools build the channel like Brightside. The one making 39,500 a month, that's 39,500 a month, isn't his. It belongs to a media company with 44.7 million subscribers, with 11,600 videos and 9 years head start. You making 3 AI videos in 15 minutes? Not even close. I don't know why. This one is, just one of those BS gurus. Let's listen to him here for a little bit before we get farther into the audit.
A faceless YouTube channel that's making almost $40,000 every single month. And it made me wonder, can I completely recreate this channel and build the exact same style of videos using AI? But with one catch, I only have 20 minutes. Can I actually do it? Let's find out. Hi, I'm Adil.
So actually it says 15 minutes, but it don't matter how much time he takes to build the thing. It isn't going to work. If you're going up against a monster like that, that's like bringing a knife to a gunfight. You're just not going to compete. So let's see here. Let's bring this up my notes here again. Okay. This gets a D strictly because the 39,500 isn't his. 44.7 million subscribers in 9 years head start. There's just no way you're going to beat this company with this type of video, this type of channel. It's just not going to work. You guys, that's why I keep trying to show you guys. These things are really off. The guys are way off on these videos. Let's see. 1 prompt, 3 videos in 15 minutes. Copy a channel making 40K a month. He's right that the tools, Fable 5 and Higgsfield both work. Fable 5, you can't get that without having a paid subscription. So you're right out of the gate. $100 right there. Higgsfield, I don't know that, but I'll find out later what that costs. So let's, that's pretty much where it stops. You're not going to get much farther than that. Let's listen to the video.
So if you want to learn how to automate content with AI and create a YouTube channel that can bring you money from scratch without showing your face or hiring a team, this video is for you. Today, I'm going to show you everything from finding the idea.
So imagine he just showed you everything it takes to make a $39,500 a month faceless channel in 14 minutes. Yeah, that's really production right there. That's a good thing. Guys, come on, really, please. All right, okay. All right, so I'm looking at my numbers here again, looking at my notes. So Higgsfield runs $15 to $99 a month. Credits, because I guess it's a credit-based site. Expired 90 days, and 1 5-minute AI documentary burns through dozens of premium clips. Plus Claude Fable 5 top spend. You're spending $100, $300 a month before earning 1%. You're not earning crap. And let's see. He says that you're totally safe in January. This is the big note. In January, YouTube deleted 16 channels running exactly this model. Exactly what he's telling you to do. They wiped you out. YouTube wiped you out. So good luck. Let's see. Yep. So let's listen to him a little farther before we go into more audit on it.
To creating a completely AI-generated film with a single prompt, using 2 of the most powerful AI tools in 2026, Claude Fable 5 and Higgsfield MCP. This is the combination that will help you turn your content into real income. We'll break down the entire workflow into 3 simple steps that anyone can follow.
in 14 minutes. You're going to get all that in 14 minutes.
Low, even if you're a complete beginner. And although a lot of people believe that YouTube doesn't pay for AI content anymore, I'm going to show you exactly how to get your AI channel monetized. So make sure to stay.
Yeah. Let's think about that. Monetize YouTube channel. What is it? 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours? Yeah, good luck. This one, realistically, guys, it gets a good D. The idea, again, the only reason why it gives it a D and not an F and not a C, because the time frame is unrealistic. You know, Waddell, that's what his name was, is, you know, basically blowing smoke up your yoo-hoo because he's telling you can do this. You can't. It just isn't going to work. I love these gurus who try and make you guys understand that you can make this money in less than a month or whatever he was claiming in here. You're going to get a channel, a brand new channel, monetized and making you money. You're instantly going to get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours instantly just by following what he says. So let's bring into the audit. So make sure we got the right guy. This is the video. See, here it is. There it is. Basically, he made it, you know, faceless channel in 20 minutes. I think the whole thing is less than 15 minutes, but it's making 40,000 a month. Yeah, nah, nope. Let's see. Okay, the video implies monetization and significant income. So initial view in 3 days stating monetization can hit really fast. Yeah, not for a beginner. No way. 1,000 subscriber, yep. 4,000 watch hours, not happen. You guys are looking at, you know, 6 to 12 months, like I keep telling you, maybe even longer. Achieving 40,000 a month, realistically, it takes several years, requiring millions of consistent views, which is a monumental task for a new channel. So I make usually two videos a day, maybe sometimes two every other day. It really depends. So you think you're going to crank out that amount of videos to where you're going to compete with a company that size making $39,000 a month? You're just not going to get it. So competition is high. Yeah. The educational content, evergreen appeal. Yeah. Education is a big thing. Health is a big thing. Finance is a big thing. Everybody is having those channels. They're in there. Okay. So if you're going to try and jump into that, you might as well just take your money out and throw it down the toilet, because that's where it's going. Okay, 40,000 a month, single month. Yeah, AdSense, however, completely omits the significant costs associated with their premium AI tools like Claude, Fable 5, and Hexel NCP. Yeah, he doesn't tell you how much it costs. You're going to be spending a lot of money up front, even to try to break into this type of niche. You know, in 35 years of doing these audits and consultant work and stuff like that, it amazes me. I mean, these guys are making their money because you guys are getting suckered in to their thumbnails, and you think you can do it. You think you can make your money. You think you're going to be the next YouTube sensation and you're going to make millions. You're going to drive your Lambo, sit on the beach. Well, actually, you're going to be even more broke, eating top ramen, trying to figure out where all your money went because you wasted it on crap like this. This is another video. Again, my system gave it a D. If it was for me, I'd change it to an F. Just simply run away. This is just not a good idea. And so far to date, all the videos I've looked at, not one has come up with even close to being a C. I can't wait till I find one that's a C. Even a B, I'd probably fall out of my chair if I find a B. But because these guys keep generating these videos and you guys keep generating, watching them and signing up for all their plans and their guru fake bullshit, these things keep surviving. So, which is good for me because it gives me free content. I don't have to think about what to do. These dipshits give me the information right away. So, again, here how you do it: YouTube URL, transcript, blah, blah, blah. You run the audit. You guys already know this. Download it like I always recommend. share it, and you run another audit. This is gone. You know, answer in the comments. Let me ask you guys some questions here. I think I'm gonna start asking you guys questions. If you want to comment or not, that's fine. I like to engage in comments. I like to, get feedback, and I like to engage with you guys. So let me ask you this: have you ever found or ever tried Faceless an AI channel? How many videos before you saw a single dollar? Okay, tell me, guys, have you tried it? And if you're making money, good for you. Share with the rest of the world on how you did it. You know, you don't have the secret. You don't have a secret. Everybody can figure out what you're doing. Everybody can figure out what AI, how to figure out make a video. So you don't have to, get in details, but tell me, what have you guys done? Have you tried it? Have you tried something like this? And did you make any money? And how long did it take? That's the realistic number I want to hear. How long did it take before you made any money, or you making, and how much did you have to spend to get to where you were? All right. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe to help the channel grow. And looking forward to making the next video for you guys. Take care.